Thikũ ĩmwe tu thutha wa riboti ya wuiguano gatagatĩ ka atongoria ngwataniro-ini ya Kenya Kwanza kuumbuka, ambunge rungu rwa ngwataniro ya Azimio One Kenya ni mamimenereirie makiuga ni njĩra ya munini wa president ya gukinyaniria mamwe ma maria mari thiini wa riboti ya BBI ari hamwe na kuongererwo kwa iturwa cia utongoria iria we na thirikari yake mareganire nayo.
Ruto has opposed BBI vehemently for the last 5 years. Now today is creating the same position that BBI was advocating for Prime Minister and Deputy Prime Minister. He's not ashamed of himself.
Yote yaliyosemwa kwa muda ambao umepita ni wazi ya kwamba ukweli wa watu umeanza kujitokeza.
Wuiguano-ini uyu mutongoria wa kiama kia ANC Musalia Mudavadi athukiirwo giturwa kia minister munene na Moses Wetangula wa Ford Kenya giturwa gia speaker wa bunge ya bururi wana makimagweta Kenya Kwanza gicunjĩ gia kura 70% mwena wa ithũĩro githurano-ini giukite.
Our friends Musalia, Wetangula, Kingi, Mutua, you are caught in the throes of an elaborate con game and a wash scheme. You are being taken to the cleaners. You won't survive.
Mubuge wa Suna ya irathiro Junet Mohamed na governor wa Mombasa Ali Hassan Joho ruma kiuga wuiguano uyu ni wira muiganu ati munini wa president akoretwo na mubango wothe wa gukuruhania akenya agikiro gia thirikari-ini.
Mimi nilikuwa nataraji serikali ya William Ruto nione deputy president chairman of boda Busia, nione prime minister chairman of mama mboga from Kongoya market.
Ruto, Musalia, Wetangula, Kingi, Mutua are now the mama mbogas Ruto has been talking about for the last 4 years.
Mwadiki munene wa kiama kia Jubilee Jeremia Kioni akionekana kurara kuona itemi riria munini wa president na thirikari yake manyitire ari kuharagana kwa riboti ya BBI, riboti iria riu marenda kuhuthira niguo gukinyaniria mabataro mao ma kiuteti.
It has now come to pass that you are dealing with criminals, political criminals. Kama hao watu wanaweza simama juu ya mesa waseme Daragwa na constituency zingine sikufe na wadaganye watu wa Daragwa na kuingineko Kenya mzima ya kwamba ni tunatafutia Uhuru kiti ama ni Raila kiti, na leo hii wametumia ile karatasi kutengeneza hiyo serikali yao, wanasema watatengeneza kesho. What are the evidence would you want as a Kenyan to fear William Samoei Ruto, a pathological liar?
Mwikirigiti wa kiama kia ODM John Mbadi niagire kiene ikinya ria atongoria aria mekirite thaini wuiguano ucio akiuga munini wa president ni aramakugia wara.
I am shocked. Someone like Musalia Mudavadi who is an experienced politician, seasoned politician, Moses Wetangula, Mutua, even if you are angry, I don't know what has made him so angry. Probably Kenyans know through social media. There is Amazon Kingi. Now, how can you put your signature to such a document?
Governor wa Kilifi Amazon Kingi athukiirwo giturwa gia speaker wa bunge ya Senate wuiguano-ini uyu, nake governor wa Machakos Alfred Mutua agathukirwo giturwa kia minister, giturwa kia munini wa president gigithukirwo mumemba wa kiama kia UDA kuma gicigo kia Mount Kenya. Giribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shege.